everyone, welcome to our family channel. Good morning, good afternoon. We greet you guys according to your time. If you come across this family channel, please do not fail to like, share and subscribe to us. In today's video, we are going out for ice cream. We are going for eating ice and having fun in the city. Daniel, come and join us now. Eh?
Hello. Hello.
They are not seeing you.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. So today, now the children, they are in holidays, so once in a while we go for it. You can see Ella and Daniel, they are playing the playing ground. Then after playing the playing ground, then we go to eat ice in the city to eat ice. You know, children love playing. But sometimes wait. Sometimes you just go out with the children. Hey, Daniel, slowly, slowly. My brother and sister go out with them so they can have fun with their mama. Slowly, Daniel. Everything you take like play, you have to be careful. So we don't forget our things. We have our water, we have something to eat. After here we'll go to the city to walk around, buy some things to eat, drink, eat ice. Yeah, mothers have to have time for their children for fun. Let the children catch fun, not all the time walking. Let the children outside to play. Sometimes you go out with them to see different things. Force this. Moon are not hurting herself. Daniel, Ella, go to the other side now. The other side there. So Daniel can also. Mona, take time, Take Lanza so you don't fall down. When the sun is very, very hot, there's a place the children go to play with water. They play with the water. They are wet, and the sun will dry them up. Sometimes we do take with us extra clothes. So when their clothes is wet, we can also change them with the extra clothes we take with us. But today I did not plan to take extra clothes, so they are not going to play with the water. They're just going to play with it in the playground around. And we walk around in the city a little bit and get something to eat and drink ice, and they have fun. In the house, they are tired. No, Daniel, don't throw something in the water. The way the water is just coming. Hey, Ella, Nish. Don't dirty the water. Okay, so now we are in the city. We want to get something to eat. So Ella, what do you want? We are in the city now. We've got something to eat. Then Ella, what do you have? Daniel. So Daniel, what do you? Yeah. So come this side now, Daniel. Daniel, you too like play. So now we are in the city. We are looking for somewhere to sit down and have our fruit, our breakfast. but we did not eat anything before we go out. Having some sport, walk around and having fun. So they are not going to school now, so sitting down all the time in the house. We have to see something new. So now, just looking for somewhere to sit down and eat our food in a very quiet way. Then we go to eat ice. You can see, you see people sitting now in the city, having coffee, tea with families and friends. So that is what we are doing now. Ella, come this side. So now we just go and look for somewhere to eat. Come with us, have a good time with us. Yeah, now we have got to this place that the children can play, can sit down there and eat. The children love water. They love water. I was thinking to take them to swimming school before this COVID. So now, thank God, Daniel is going to the 3 class. They have to learn how to swim. Yeah. So we see what goes on with this COVID. But Ella too is a very sports girl. Also, we can also start doing sports. I will be checking anyway. So you can see. Now we can sit here and have fun and just eat our food in a quiet way. Brother and sister, both of them are enjoying themselves. After the ice, we go a little bit of the city. Then we go to the house because I have to do some work. Smells to Ella. The booster. Ella and Daniel enjoyed themselves. Manuel, this ice thing, she tried for it yesterday. I said, don't worry, we'll come to the city today. We were supposed to be in the city yesterday, but no time. So today, I made sure that they come to the city to have what they want, have good time together as family. Now there's holidays. This is the time we have to have good time together before they start school. Was wish you do? What is your wishes?
Choose
Mawa. The people they work for up, eh? See, some people are working up there. Very beautiful city. Yeah, you just get some fresh love, fresh air, relax. This side is good for couple, eh? Just to relax yourself with your man, drink your highs. If you want to have fruit stook, have your fruit stook. You want to have beer, cold beer. Summer is good in this city. Everywhere is open. That is how they eat. They eat from each other. They test each other food. They eat together. But when the brother want to take from sister, he take more. He eats very well from small for baby. Thank you. Actually go. That is my essay. That is my food. Yeah, Daniel, Ella, don't fall it on the floor. It's on the floor. Y'all ready? Yeah. I'm looking for all the time gesund essen. Food that is gesund. Food that is healthy. That is what I always look for to eat. But Mama is going old. We have to be careful what we eat. I won't stop eating meat now. I only eat fish and chicken. Yeah, so join me with my meal. Join me with my food. My delicious essen. My yummy, 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 yummy essen. Oh God, this one I love them. This one a pancake. The way the German they make their pancake. Let me show you guys. That is Italian. Oh, my son don't correct me. Say na Italian. He say na Italian. Italian. Guys, see what it is inside. Daniel, come and finish your eyes. Okay. They try to show me something. Ja, sit down. Der Eis gefällt dir, Ella? Bist du glücklich? Später werde ich einen Kaffee. Ich muss Eiskaffee zu Hause. I have to buy ice in the house so that when it's hot, as soon as she came, she played, she came inside, she want to drink ice with her friends. And then when we don't, they have a water ice now. The children there, they understand. They say they don't like water ice. So I have to buy one of these ice, a bowl like this, and put in the freezer because they don't like water ice anymore. So I've stopped buying water ice because I used to mix it together. So join us, guys. Join us as we eat. The food is very sweet. So we finish eating. I even first finish eating before the children. I am the first. And now they want to get some of my food. Yeah. Okay. Daniel, please, not so. Daniel, stop. You're too funny. Stop. See how you don't dirty your dress now. Yeah, that is how you dirty your clothes. Take, clean your mouth. Clean your shirt here.
Ich bin fertig.
Clean your mouth here.
Oh ja. Ich habe gewonnen. Ja, alles sehr gegessen. Jetzt machen wir Pause und haben angefangen.
Pause und was?
Dann zuerst Pause und
Wir laufen ein bisschen.
was darf man das?
Der Arbeit dort. Das ist Arbeit.
Darf man das?
Now the children want my Pfannkuchen. Wie heißt der Name wieder?
Das ist
Pfannkuchen. Put it there.
Hey, das ist wirklich ein Ice Cube.
Hey.
Ich habe einen Plan.
They cannot stop eating from the plate. They want to lick it with hand. Funny should do. Do you enjoy your ice?
Mama, guck mal.
What is that?
Das darf man nicht in Bergen. Das darf man nicht.
The people are working there.